Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Stano Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The presumption as to Dory death thus would get activated only upon the proof of the fact that the deceased lady had been subjected to cruelty or harassment for or in connection with any demand for Dory by the accused, and that too in the reasonable contiguity of death. Stop. Such a proof is thus the legislatively mandated prerequisite to invoke the otherwise statutorily ordained presumption of commission of the offence of Dory death by the person charged therewith. Stop. A conjoint reading of these three provisions thus predicate the burden of the prosecution is unassailably substantiate the ingredients of the two offences by direct and convincing evidence so as to avail the presumption engrafted in section 113B of the Act against the accused. Stop. Proof of cruelty or harassment by the husband or her relative or the person charged is thus the sine qua non to inspirit the statutory presumption to draw the person charged within the coils thereof. Stop. If the prosecution fails to demonstrate by cogent, coherent, and persuasive evidence to prove such fact, the person accused of either of the above referred offences cannot be held guilty by taking refuge only of the presumption to cover up the shortfall in proof. Stop. The legislative premature of relieving the prosecution of the rigor of the proof of the often practically inaccessible recesses of life within the guarded confines of a matrimonial home and of replenishing the consequential void by according a presumption against the person charged cannot be overraised to gloss over and condone its failure to prove credibly the basic facts enumerated in the sections involved, lest justice is the casualty. Stop. This court, while often dwelling on the scope and purport of section 304B of the Code and section 113B of the Act, have propounded that the presumption is contingent on the fact that the prosecution first spell out the ingredients of the offence of section 304B as in, and in the later pronouncement this court propounded that one of the essential ingredients of Dory death under section 304B of the code is that the accused must have subjected the woman to cruelty in connection with demand for dowry soon before her death, and that this ingredient has to be proved by the prosecution beyond reasonable doubt, and only then the court will presume that the accused has committed the offence of dowry death under section 113B of the Act. Stop. It referred to with approval the earlier decision of this court in to the effect that to attract the provision of section 304B of the code, one of the main ingredients of the offence which is required to be established is that soon before her death she was subjected to cruelty and harassment in connection with the demand for dowry. Stop. tested on the judicially adumbrated parameters as above, we are of the unhesitant opinion that the prosecution has failed to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Stop.